Aw. There we go. Yay! Alright, these are from Lazada. I don't remember which ones are which. Order a couple, so a bunch of them. Ah, HDMI cable. Can't get enough. So this is supposedly 18 megabyte per second or 18 Mbps HDMI cable, which should give me better 4K. No handshake 4K. I've been looking for high quality HDMI cables. I'm going to replace the 4K HDMI cable that I'm using right now because sometimes it still does the handshake. So there's that one. Do you need to know how much I paid? Mamaya na lang. We'll find out how much I paid. This one is... I don't know yet. Ooh. Check out my watch. Come on. Ah, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. There you go. That's my smartphone watch. Huh? Don't need no smartwatch when you got a phone on your wrist. Because smartwatches suck. They don't do everything I needed to do. So now we have a smartphone watch. There you go. So I can turn off my aircon. Because it has infrared. Turn off my... it also has a remote for my TV. I can even monitor my other stuff here. Whatever. Anyway. Yes! Woohoo! Wow, what is... That is simple AF. It's a graphics card support. I got this for like 600 pesos, which is what, $10? Graphics card support. Let's get this. Let's try this out. I didn't know it would look like this. Ninja! Ninja! Okay, there we go. So you put this in your case to support your graphics card. Oh, that's magnetic? Nani? Whoa! Dude! What is it? Why is it magnetic? So this is your... this is what would hold your graphics card up. Jara, and then you close it. There we go. Okay, so you put it on the graphics card, and your graphics card won't slouch or whatnot. You can also use this as a headset stand. But it is primarily meant for graphics cards. And also, there's another one of these. So you can have two graphics cards. Haha, SLR. This is a crystal case for my HTC. Yes. Oh, look at that. Packaging, eh? The new case. This is not even the UMAC brand. They gave me like a different one. But that's alright. I don't need it for quality. I need it for something else. That should do it. Yes, there we go. Oh. Oh. Oh, the back is flat. Huh. Where's my phone? Nani? Doko desu ka? Kita desu. Watashi no kita desu. Watashi no kita desu. How do you say it's in my pocket in Japanese? So, I have several cases for my HTC actually. Let me show you. Yes, okay. So this is the first case that I bought. A very thin one. There we go. I also cut out the power button so it doesn't clash with my gimbal. So there's my shooting with the gimbal case. This is my slightly more protected case, branded Rinke, I think. No, this is not Rinke. This is a Spigen. And then I bought this one, which I wanted to mod, but maybe I'm gonna mod this instead. This is a knockoff Ice View case. So there you go. There's the Ice View. So and you can trigger the camera while in Ice View. Kind of an interesting thing. I don't like flip cases, so I might mod this, or I might mod this one. Yeah. Okay, interesting case. Huh. Definitely gets rid of the curve on the back of the phone. Look at that. It makes your phone flat. Huh. Alright. Okay, that's cool. That's it for now. What time is it? Come on. Oh man, the watch software lets me down. There we go. 1:43. The watch software lets me down. 1:43. That's it for now. Yan ang walang kwentang unboxing for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ah!